Festive season is over and now it is time to focus on our winter gardening activities. It's always a pleasure to grow some veggies alongside flowering plants. But in our balcony garden, often we struggle to figure out what all we can grow. Depending on the amount of sunlight, we can grow many things. Let us see what all we can grow in our balcony garden during winter. The easiest things that you can grow are any kinds of leafy greens. You can grow spinaches, that is very easy to grow. You can grow from seeds. Then you can grow methi, coriander, lettuce, etc. They don't take up much space and can be grown in shallow containers. Also, they can be harvested very quickly. Then comes root crops. You can grow radish, carrots, beetroots in your balcony garden. I harvested lots of radishes last year. You can also harvest radish greens. I harvested radishes thrice last year. I grew some beetroots last year and this year I am planning to grow carrots. Then comes the fruiting vegetables. Beans are the topmost among them. You can grow lots of beans easily from a couple of plants. Beans are very productive. In small space gardening, beans is a must have. You can also grow beans in a pot. See, I have grown these 2 bean plants in this kind of 10-inch pot. And for feeding, I have given only mustard kit liquid fertilizer. Then comes our all-time favorite, tomatoes. You can grow lots of tomatoes in your balcony in pots. I grew 3 tomato plants in 14-inch pot. You can grow 1 tomato per square feet. See how many tomatoes I am getting from one single plant. You can also grow cherry tomatoes. Here I have grown 2 cherry tomatoes in pots. Then you can grow lots of chillis in your balcony. Chillis are very productive and also easy to grow. You just need to check for pest attacks. I have created a separate video on how to grow chilies in balcony, that too in pot. Oh, and you can grow brinjals too. Yeah, you can grow full-size brinjals in pots in balcony. Brinjal plants are a heavy feeder. You need to fertilize them regularly. You can also grow strawberries during winter in India. in pots in your balcony. However, strawberries are not that easy to grow and they need little care. Also, the temperature should be perfect. So I decided not to grow strawberries this year. Hope you have got a fair idea about what all you can grow in your balcony during winter. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Let me know what all you are growing this season in your balcony. Wish you all a great gardening season ahead. Thanks for watching. See you soon with another video. Till then, bye.